Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you are all fine and you remember me. I am Dr. Sohail. I will be continuing with your second semester. First is child health, maternal and child health, IMNCI. All those things are included in this chapter. So first of all, by definitions, growth. Growth is increase in the physical size of the body. Growth starts from the time of fertilization, continues till adulthood. It is an indicator of quantitative increase in the body and its components. Development. Development is increase in the skill and function of the body. Development denotes qualitative achievements of the inherent skills and depending on the integrity and efficiency of the nervous system and opportunities of learning. Growth and development, all living creatures are product of their heredity and their environment. Of course, the genetic makeup and the learning. The directing force of heredity and shaping influences of the environment both play important role in developing growth. If somebody says that the genetic makeup is important and others says no, the development or the process of learning is important, I believe both are important. Development is divided by birth into prenatal and postnatal, before delivery and after delivery periods. Prenatal. First, fertilization. Ovum. Fertilization to the end of first week. It will be called ovum. Fertilization to the end of the first week. Then embryo. From the second week to the 8th week, the developing, growing baby will be called embryo. From the 3rd week to the 10th lunar month, 10th month, the start of the month, 10th lunar month, including the first day of the last menses, it will be called fetus. Then is the development during the first 8 weeks of the prenatal life. First 8 weeks of the prenatal life. Ovum and embryo development. Embryonic period, fertilized ovum differentiates rapidly and almost all of the internal organs and systems are well laid down at 2 months. The heart, the blood vessels, the liver, the other systems, all are developed in that period. Only the nervous system, the optics, the ear, all the development of those organs remain. From the 8th week till the delivery, fetal life, that is the fetal life, from the 8th week till the delivery. The chief changes are those of growth, tissue differentiation, elaboration of function rather than the development. Now the specialized functions are developed. Before the 7th month, the 28th weeks of gestation, the fetus is generally considered pre-viable and not capable of independent existence. At 28th week, the fetus is said to become viable, and that is why before 28th week it is called abortion, and after 28th week it is called stillbirth. And the legislation is different because even in Islamic teaching, it is clear that after 28 weeks the life is there and viability of the baby is there and it becomes an independent existence. In terms of gestational age or maturity, the infant is described as preterm with decreasing degree of prematurity from 28th weeks to less than 37 weeks, as full term from 37 weeks to less than 42 weeks, and as post term after 42nd weeks from the first day of the last menstrual period. So it's quite clear: preterm, full term and post term. 28 to 37 week, 37 to 42nd week, and after 47 week is always a post term. That's all for today. Then we continue. Thank you very much.